Hi, I'm Randy Altman with Post Perspective. We're here with Adobe's Francis Crossman. Francis, welcome.
Thanks for having me.
Sure. Well, there's a lot to talk about. You guys have had, it seems like you have news pretty much all the time these days. Why don't we just jump right in and talk about the recently released Autotone? Can you tell us what it is, what it means for workflows?
Yeah, sure. So Autotone has actually just come out into Premiere Pro beta, which means it's not in our shipping release just yet, but still the general public can test it out right now. And what Autotone does is it's basically just a one button press that automatically gets your footage into a more beautiful looking state. And it does this by analyzing the colors in your footage and then tweaking the Lumetri color panel to make it look nice. So it'll expand things like contrast and add saturation and do that kind of stuff. And everything remains editable after the fact. So if you like what it did, great. If you think that you could improve a little bit, everything is editable. And yeah, we're really excited about this. It's based on Adobe Sensei machine learning. So basically, what we did is we took a large data set of unedited images and then had some professional colorists go ahead and grade them. We recorded what they did to the image, fed that into the Sensei, machine learning hopper, and it was able to generate an understanding of what good color looks like. And then, yeah, as I stated before, it tweaks the settings in Lumetri and those remain editable. It's really geared towards the editor, the sort of like one-stop shop. You edit it, you color it, you do the sound yourself. You just have to get it done quick and get it in and out. And we think that this is actually also going to help newer users kind of learn how the Lumetri color tools work as well. Because hitting that auto button, you can see what it did to make it look better. And you can actually start to learn how to do that yourself as well.
I need to ask you about Frame.io, and you guys made quite a splash on the announcement, and then very recently, this week, the deal was completed. Can you talk a bit about what this means to Adobe?
Yeah, certainly. I mean, Frame.io is a fantastic tool for review and approval. And in a world where we're all working remotely, you can't go into sessions where you do the sort of typical producer over the shoulder reviews. We have to be able to send stuff off for review. And this is going to really open up the doors for Adobe to have a cloud centric remote first workflow. And we're just super thrilled to be able to bring Frame.io into the Adobe fold.
Well, that's actually brings us to a different topic, which is just trends that we've been seeing. And in terms of the pandemic and the last 18 months and people working from home, uh, I've been asking everybody this and just trying to get everybody's opinion. Do you expect these types of workflows to continue to the point where that's how most people are working, or do you sort of see a hybrid workflow?
Oh, absolutely. I think that the future is definitely going to be in connected cloud workflows for sure. And, with the Frame.io acquisition, this is a big step in that direction for us.
I know that you guys are crazed getting ready for Adobe Max.
So, yeah, Adobe Max, we're super excited about Adobe Max. It's October 26th through October 28th. And it is a free virtual conference fueled by, creativity. It's supposed to inspire and educate and entertain. And this is where people can really come together and learn about everything that Creative Cloud has to offer. We have more than 400 sessions, lots of keynotes, technology sneaks and workshops, all sorts of really exciting celebrities. Also, including Chloe Zhao, Keenan Thompson, Henry Golding, Tilda Swinton, Bryan Cranston, and Aaron Paul. Casey Neistat, Young Thug, and Imagine Dragons as musical guests. And lots of other really exciting people are going to be coming to Max. So, yeah, we're just, gearing up over here at Adobe and really excited about it.